Hello guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop and everything in the crypto space like I always do. I post news on cryptocurrencies. I go on CoinMarketCap, check coins that are pumping, do research on this coin, advise people whether they should invest or not so that they would not end up losing money. And like I always do, today I've done a video on a coin on CoinMarketCap, Rose Finance. You guys can check it out. I disclosed so much from this coin. This coin pumped over 500,000%. But now I'll be doing a video on a coin that is currently pumping on CoinMarketCap. It's like number one coin on CoinMarketCap. This coin is called Shibanomics. If I open CoinMarketCap, you're going to see Shibanomics here. It has pumped 1,220% a few minutes ago. If you're just watching my channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join 1,691 people in our community. So I'll be doing review of the Shibanomics coin with the information I've gotten on CoinMarketCap, BNC scan, if the coin is on the Binance Smart Chain network, and just basically doing research. You guys can do your own research after this video, and if you're investing in this coin, you can give us your feedback, whether it was successful, it wasn't successful, so that others can learn from you. Any information I give out on this video is basically my opinion about this. If you think otherwise, feel free to air your opinion, and you can actually go ahead and invest if you feel you still want to invest in the coin. So I'm going to open this coin, the Shibanomics coin, because that's what I'm going to talk about. From this coin I can see that it is on the watch list of over 5,806 people. That means 5,806 people are observing this coin. And one thing I can notice is that there's no market capitalization on this coin. I'm not always comfortable when I see a token where there is no market cap. Secondly, the fully diluted market cap of this coin is 127 million, and the last 24 hours trading volume is over 1.6 million dollars. So the circulating market cap is not listed. Moving forward, the coin value is in pennies. It's very, very low. But this coin is called Shibanomics. One thing I want you guys to know is that Shibanomics is not the same with Shiba Inu. Very important, because the coin is having Shiba on the name doesn't mean that they are similar or they are connected. I don't see any connection between this coin and Shiba Inu coin. One. Secondly, in this place there is no community. There is no community in this coin. Not listed on CoinMarketCap, and this coin is on the Binance Smart Chain address. So I'm going to read the overview of the coin, check the chart, and gather as much information I can gather to see if this coin is worth investing in, because the coin is pumping massively. A lot of people want to make fast money, they would rush into the coin, so you need to know if this is not a manipulation. Let's go straight to the chart. Well, one thing I can observe from this chart is that the growth, the movement is kind of steady, not until this place where the coin value was $2.57. I mean 0.0002.1.52 in price, but the 24 hours trading volume was $2.57 million, and this was yesterday 10:54 p.m. and this was still same yesterday 1 hour time. The trading volume increased by over $100,000 extra, and the price almost doubled. Did it? Yeah, the price did not double. It was like extra 50% was added in space of 1 hour. Then the coin has steadily been growing step by step, like that. Now, if we widen this chart, we're going to see that the market capitalization of this coin reduced between yesterday and today. Yesterday it was $2.something million. Currently it is $1.58 million, and that was around 10:44 a.m. The time is 11:53 a.m. Now at the moment it is $1.64 million, 11:49 a.m. and the 24 hours trading volume is reducing and the value of the coin is increasing. It doesn't make any sense to me. Well, let's move forward. Let me see the overview of the coin, what this project is about. Now they said the live Shibanomics price today, the price is given, but the coin overview is not here. What the coin is about is not in this place. There's nothing listed about this coin. This feature is a beta testing. Please estimate for the next 6 months. There's nothing about this coin in this place, guys. This coin most likely is going to be a scam. I can bet this coin most likely is a scam. and where I'm going to confirm this information is on the BSC scan, the Binance Smart Chain scan. So I'm going to copy the contract address, But before I go to BSC Scan, I'll just copy the website to have a look through the website. Maybe the information I cannot find there, I'm going to find it in the website. Let me see this image. Okay, so this is the website. You can't even scroll through the website. They are forcing you to join a Telegram group. You can't. Okay, I've been able to do now. I can access. Shibanomics aim to go above and beyond for its community by providing investors and degenerates alike with ample opportunities to ape safely into most current and hottest project launches on the Binance Smart Chain, all while perma pumping. This is a scam token. There's nothing said here. I don't even say anything in this place. This is a pump and dump scheme, and this is not even going to be a pump and dump scheme where the community will benefit. This is a scheme where you will buy, the person that created this token will make money, but you will not be able to sell. Basically, that's what I see here. I've been in this place to see, when I see tokens like this, I can identify them. Unlike Bitcoin, Shiba Inu is a deflationary token, which means that the total supply is always decreasing, making it more and more rare. Each Shiba Inu transaction is taxed, and a small percentage of the coin are burned, but holding does reward you in the end. So anything you do on the coin is taxed. And they are collecting 30% tax on transaction fee. So anything you do, they are charging you 13% tax. This is too much. Well, guys, I don't see this project as it. I think this one is just to make fast money. And I feel the best thing you can do for this kind of project is to just put it on the waiting list. You don't need to buy it now. Just leave it on the waiting list for now. In this place, they created an NFT marketplace, a reward dashboard, and audit a white paper. You can take your time to check the white paper. While I'm going to move forward, and I'm just going straight to the Binance Smart Chain to see any information I can get about this coin. And from Binance Smart Chain, I'll just copy the contract address and put here. I know what I'm looking for in Binance Smart Chain. I don't even need to check so much in this. I just want to check whether there are comments, people that have traded the coin, whether it is a scam or not, basically. So in the last few minutes, of course, people would buy and sell since it is pumping. A lot of people will just begin to put money. They will not do any research, and that is why I'm really doing research for you guys in this community. Now let's move fast to comments. This is where I'm going to get the conclusion of this cryptocurrency. I hope there are comments. This comment is like a forum on the Binance Smart Chain where people discuss and share their experience with what they've gotten from the coin. So from here, this person is trying to promote a Telegram group. This person said it is a scam. 14 hours ago, I bought 183 million. Now they are decreasing. I own only 22 million. Somebody said token supply is decreasing as other supply because it's a rebase token. Definitely not a scam. Learn about rebase token before you food. Now the issue, where did the dollar go from the missing token? Now this token, you can call it a scam. Most times they use rebase token as a name to disguise. But one thing about this rebase token that I noticed personally is that when you buy the cryptocurrency, once the price is pumping, as the percentage is pumping, your money is decreasing. At the end of the day, you end up losing money, while they are using the name rebase token to just, make you feel that there's something special about it. Most times when you are buying a cryptocurrency and it is a rebase token, which they did not rightly tell you, you end up losing money while the price will keep increasing. Your money will be burning. But one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my time to simplify what a rebase token is and make a video on a rebase token explaining it to you guys. But for the sake of this video, the reason I do this video is just to review, to let you guys know whether you should buy this coin or should not buy this coin. I'll advise you, do not buy this coin, keep your money. Most likely this is a scam coin. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification. Also, when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.